Alright, so a couple of days ago I found this channel right here that started posting only about 2 months ago, and this channel is already making upwards of $40,000 a month from ad revenue alone. And in this video I'm gonna show you how you can start a channel just like this one, only using AI. And to be able to do this, we're going to use two simple tools, and that is Claude and Higgsfield. So if you watch this video all the way until the end, you'll be able to create your own faceless channel like this in only about 20 minutes of work. Okay, so before we get into how to actually create the video, I just want to quickly show you this channel. So this one is called Zen, and it has about 141,000 subscribers. And they've only uploaded just about 15 videos. And if we take a look at their analytics, they're making $43,000 a month only uploading one video per week. But the thing is, they're not alone doing this. This one, for example, called the Scribble Scholar, is a similar channel that is also doing insane numbers. You can see here some of their most popular videos, like this one getting 7.6 million views, and it was only posted about 4 months ago. And if we take a look at their analytics, you'll see they're also doing insane numbers, 14k per month, only uploading a couple of times per week. And you can create these videos completely with AI. So let's not waste any time and get straight into how to create these videos. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need to do to be able to create these videos is install a couple of things to your computer. So the first thing you gotta do is install Claude Code. So basically all you need to do to be able to install it is just to search for Claude Code installation on desktop, and then click on this first link right here, desktop application, and just download it for whether you're using a Mac or you're using a Windows. And once you have it installed, you'll just be able to access it right here on your computer as an app, and you'll be able to enter whatever prompt you want in here. The second thing you're gonna need to do is to install Higgsfield on your computer also. So basically just head over to Higgsfield, sign up for an account. I'll leave a link to it in the description if you wanna use it for yourself or try out this method. And once you're on Higgsfield, you wanna click on this button right here that says MCP and CLI. And once you're here, go to this button right here and click on CLI. And here you'll have a couple of codes that you're gonna need to install on your computer. So let's start by copying this first one right here. And once you've copied it, you want to open up your computer's terminal. So basically just click on the search bar right here and then search for terminal and hit enter, and you'll find something like this. And if you're on a Windows, just do the exact same thing, search for terminal, and you'll get a similar layout. Once you've opened up your terminal, simply all you gotta do is paste in the code that you copied on Higgsfield right here and press enter. I've already installed this on my own computer, but basically what will happen is that when you press enter, it will load in some code and you will have to approve a couple of things. And once you've done that, you just want to go back to Higgsfield, and then you want to copy the second line of code right here. So just copy it, go back to the terminal again and paste it right here, and then hit enter again. Then do the same thing for this last one. Go back to the terminal and then hit paste again, and then you will have all the things you need from Higgsfield installed on your computer. So basically what this will do is that it will allow Claude Code to access Higgsfield and then generate generations automatically from a simple prompt. Okay, so you now have everything you need installed, and we can get started creating the actual video. So the first step you're gonna need to do is finding a good niche, and there are plenty of niches you can get into, but if you're unfamiliar with finding a niche for your own channel, I've actually prepared a document right here. So in this document you'll find all the prompts I'm going to use in this video, and you'll also find this top 20 faceless explainer niches in 2026. So basically inside of this list you'll find all of the best niches you can get into right now. So if you want to get access to this document and take a look at all of these niches, just join my free community in the link in the description, and you can get access to it for completely free. So once you've taken a look inside of this document, the next thing you want to do is find a successful channel that are posting videos in a similar niche. So just to show you, I'm just going to use this one called Zen that I showed you earlier as an example. And what we want to do now is find a viral topic. And my favorite method to finding a viral topic is always copying something that has already been proven to work. Because if something has worked for one channel, it will very likely work for you also. So what I like to do is to go on a channel, my reference channel, and filter the videos by popularity. So we can see this one right here is your most popular one with 7.5 million views in just 2 months. So I'm just gonna keep everything simple and do the exact same one. What did ancient humans do at night? So once we have a topic ready, the next step is to turn our topic into a viral script. And writing the scripts manually would take absolutely forever to do. So I'm just gonna show you how to do this super easily with AI. So basically all I'm going to do is head inside to the step-by-step document, and you'll find this script prompt that I've pasted into the document. So basically all you gotta do is copy this entire script prompt right here, and then you wanna head over to Claude. Now inside of the prompt box here, just paste in the entire script prompt, and you'll see that there are a couple of brackets throughout the prompt template. So first we have this one, the topic, where you'll find this bracket that says insert your topic here. So I'll just paste in the topic that we decided to go with. What did ancient humans do at night? So just copy this one and paste it right in here. Then we have this one right here where it says paste proven viral script here. Because since you know that they went viral with that script, you know it's a proven concept. But obviously we can't just copy their script word by word. So what we're going to do is copy in the link of the reference video that we have. So just click on these 3 dots right here and then click on share and then copy the link. So basically just search for transcribe YouTube video. I'm usually using this one called YouTube to transcript. So I'll just go here, paste in the link, and then click on get free transcript. Now, as you can see right here, we will have the entire script ready for us to copy. So just click on copy right here, go back to Claude, and then inside of this bracket right here, you just want to paste in the entire script. Now click on generate, and Claude will now analyze the entire script and rewrite it with a similar wording and language, but rewrite it so you're not copying the entire script word by word. Okay, so now as you can see right here, it has planned the entire video, created a structural breakdown with a hook, pacing, retention, ending, and everything you need for the script. And then you'll have right here the rewritten script. So here you'll have a full script that is ready to go for your video. Okay, so before we move on with the video, I just wanted to address something that I've gotten a bunch of questions about lately, both inside of my community and in the comments of my recent videos, which is whether you should start off with an aged YouTube channel or a monetized one. And the answer is that it completely depends on your situation. So if you have some budget to spend, a monetized channel is definitely something you should consider. Basically, instead of grinding for months trying to reach the requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which takes the average channel about 6 to 12 months to reach. However, if you don't have a budget to spend on a monetized channel, I would say that an aged channel is definitely the way to go. So basically what an aged channel is an old channel that was created back in 2006 to 2009. And why you want to use an aged channel is because they already have data and history and is more trusted by the YouTube algorithm. So you can either get one from a site like this one called Somi Assets, or you can just use an old channel that you have yourself and created a couple of years ago. There are a couple of different places you can get channels like this from. I've been using this one called Somi Assets for the past few years and I've never run into any issues. So if you want to try it out for yourself, I'll leave a link to this website in the description. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use Claude Code to generate visuals in the exact same style as this channel right here is using. So what you want to do is open up the Claude Code app that you installed earlier, and then you're gonna need to use a very specific prompt here to be able to get the result we're looking for. And I've actually prepared the exact prompt you can use for this. So if you go to the step-by-step document and you scroll down a little bit, you'll find Claude code prompt right here. So basically everything you gotta do is just copy this entire thing right here. Then you wanna head over to Claude code again and simply just enter the entire thing right here. And if we take a closer look at the prompt box, you'll see that you have a little bracket right here that says paste script here. So this is very straightforward. All you gotta do is go back to Claude and then you wanna copy the script that you created. So just head over here and then copy the entire thing. Now you wanna go back to Claude code, and inside of this bracket right here, we simply just paste the entire script. So now all you gotta do is hit enter, and now Claude code will automatically be linked to Higgsfield and generate all the visuals we need for the entire video. Okay, so while Claude code is running and creating all the visuals, I thought I'd just show you what the visuals will look like. So if we take a look at this channel and just go into one of their videos, you'll see that they're using this pretty sloppy hand-drawn style. It looks super simple, but it's working extremely well right now on YouTube. And with this prompt, we instruct Claude to create the visuals in the exact same style as this. So we're simply using a proven format from start to finish. We're using a topic that has already been proven to go viral. We have rewritten the script in a way that has already been proven to go viral. And we are creating visuals in the exact same way also. Okay, so now it's been a couple of minutes, and if we're trying to head over back to Higgsfield and look at our image generations, you will now see that all of these images has automatically been generated only from that prompt we used in Claude code. So basically what it will do is that it will analyze the entire script and then create one image visual for each scene of the script. So now that you have all of these visuals ready, simply all you gotta do is click download, this button right here, and download each image to your computer. Now before we go ahead and edit the entire thing, there's still one more thing we need to do, which is to generate a voiceover. And there are two ways you can do this. Either if you're comfortable sharing your own voice, you can just simply grab a microphone and record it all by yourself. But since you're watching this, I would assume most of you are interested in the second option, which is generating it with AI. And basically I always use this tool right here called 11 Labs. I've been using it for about 3 years at this point, and I've been running multiple channels only using voiceovers from 11 Labs, and it's been working great for me. So what I would recommend that you're doing, instead of just going with one of their standard voices that you'll find right here that has been used a million different times by a million different channels, is to create your own voice. So basically to do this, all you gotta do is click on voices right here and then click on new voice, and then you have a couple of alternatives to choose from here. So either you can design a voice all by yourself using a simple prompt, or you can clone a voice or create a professional voice clone of yourself. So what I would recommend you do is to just use the voice design feature. It's super easy to use, and you can just create a prompt to use right here with Claude or ChatGPT or whatever tool you like to use. And I've actually already done this, so I have this voice prepared right here called Finance Explainer Channel Voice. So basically what I'm going to do is just start copying the script that Claude generated for us and generate it. And I wouldn't recommend that you do the entire script in one generation, because 11 Labs can sometimes mess up the voice if you're creating a generation that is too long. So what I would recommend you do is just copy one paragraph like this, go over to 11 Labs, and then generate it.
Right now, you can answer almost any question instantly. You pull out your phone, you type, and the entire knowledge of the species appears in your palm.
And once you have a good result, simply all you gotta do is click on the button right here and download the voiceover. So we now have the image visuals ready, and we also have the voiceover ready. So the only thing that is left to do is to edit everything together. And you can use whatever editing tool you like here. I'm using Premiere Pro for some of my videos, and I'm using CapCut for some. But in this case, I'm just gonna use CapCut since it's free and it's more accessible to most people. So let's just create a new project right here and start importing all of the assets. So I'm just gonna start by importing all of the visuals from Higgsfield, and then also do the voiceover from 11 Labs. So let's just drag the voiceover down right here, and then you just need to start adding the visuals one by one. Just make sure that you keep in mind which visual are for which part, so you put them in chronological order. So I'm just gonna start adding the visuals one by one down here, and simply this is all you gotta do. Once you've done all of this, you simply have your faceless AI YouTube channel video ready. And I think we did this in pretty much just under 20 minutes. So it's super simple to do. All you gotta do is follow all of these steps and you'll be able to start a channel like this in no time. One thing you could also do is add some music. You could either use a copyright-free website like Pixabay, or you can generate it yourself with a tool like Suno. And that's basically everything that goes into it. Okay, so you now know exactly how to recreate videos like this channel is posting. But what most people are not gonna tell you is that the people that are actually making money on YouTube are not doing it strictly from earning ad revenue. What most channels do is that they monetize externally. And I actually know this from my own experience, and it's the way I've made the most amount of money for myself and for my clients. You can see this is an example for one of my own channels where I did almost $2,500 in a single day from digital product sales. And here's an example from one of my clients' channels that did almost $1.6 million in combined revenue simply from selling digital products. And the good thing about digital products is that you simply create them once and then you can sell them unlimited amount of times without having to deal with any shipping, product fulfillment, or anything like that. You simply create the product once and then your audience can buy it however many times they like. So if this is something you'd want to know more about, I'm actually hosting a free live masterclass on June 16th where I'm going to show you exactly how I set up these systems for myself and how I was able to generate results like this only using organic traffic from YouTube. So in this live masterclass on June 16th, I'm gonna show you exactly how a complete beginner can start their own AI automated channel connected to a $20 to a $50 digital product and make their first $2,500 online in their first 30 days. And most importantly, how to do this with zero AdSense dependency. So if you want to attend this class, I'll leave a link to the registration page in the description. It's completely free to join, and if you tune in live, I will show you exactly how I've been able to do this for myself and for multiple of my clients. You'll also get access to my top 20 niche list where I prepared a list with niches where people are already pulling insane amounts of views and selling digital products like this successfully. So if you want to attend the event, make sure you go sign up right now through the link in the description, and I will see you then.